say the night is dark, but it holds the stars. Every shade, every curve tells us who we are. Strength in every shadow, power in the hue. Black is real beauty and it shines through you. From the roots of the earth to the sky so high, the depth of the ocean, the infinite night. We carry the rhythm, we carry the light. Black is the beauty, the world's delight. Black is real beauty, can't you see? A tapestry of culture, history. From the curls in our hair to the depth of our soul, black is the beauty that makes us whole. Black is real beauty, can't you see? A tapestry of culture, history. From the curls in our hair to the depth of our soul, black is the beauty that makes us whole. Every story told in the lines of our face, carved with resilience, carved with grace. The fire in our hearts, the pride we hold. Black is the beauty, unbreakable gold. From the songs of the past to dreams untold, our beauty is eternal, more precious than gold. We rise like the sun, we glow like the moon. Black is forever the world's best tune. Black is real beauty, can't you see? A tapestry of culture, history.